to need some support in a particular technical manner. If you see someone has, oh, are you serious? Oh, get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, great, stop it. Stop it. No. My goodness. My cat has caught a bird. And it's not dead yet. Why not, hey? Oh, welcome to my life. What's next? My kid's gonna come out with a bird in the mouth? Oh, poor bird. And now there's feathers everywhere. All right, back to work. And I lost my mouse. Where did my mouse go? It's Monday morning, guys. Seriously, I lost my mouse. Oh, dang it. You're a bad kitty, you know that? Oh, brother. Oh, there it is. Oh, there's feathers everywhere.